Learning with Zachary and Zayden.
Let's see. Who is this? Louis Armstrong. Let's learn about Louis Armstrong together.
I was a famous trumpet player and jazz musician. I was born in New Orleans in 1901. I learned how to play the cornet, a type of horn, when I was 12 and began performing with different marching and jazz bands. Later, I switched to playing the trumpet. In 1925, I decided to start a band and made my own music. Some of my songs like What a Wonderful World became very famous. I also became the first African American to star in a big Hollywood movie. Thank you for learning about me.
Everyone, my show is Play Buddy.